Dawn is breaking on my first Christmas on my new homestead, and it's a barely white Christmas. Let's take a look. My birdhouse flew down. Oh boy, that's frozen solid. In fact, this is going to be a quick tour because it's very cold. I need a stick. Can I do this and live? Let's see. That's nice. And now my hand is ice cold. Oh, the roof is white. Let's go see the roof. How pretty. Should have had my lights on. Let's check out the little bird feeding area. Looks frozen solid. No? It's not solid. Okay. Garden. Garden's pretty white. Yeah. Sun's gonna be coming up over that ridge pretty soon. There's my new swing. Here's my new swing. Oh gosh, it's good. Oh dear, I left these. I left that wreath in some water. Let's probably finish that off. Okay. Here are my new cedar chairs and table. Okay, I'm freezing. Okay, you stay down there and be good, okay? Okay, my hands are numb and I'm going inside. It's a white Christmas, but my son can't make it today, maybe tomorrow, and I've got to get that washer and dryer hooked up. So let's do that now. Well, that's exciting. I know it's only a dusting, but can you imagine the luck? My first Christmas, white Christmas, at my new homestead. And I hate to be a wuss, but it's really nice to have a heater to come back into a warm house. Now, over here is the disaster area. You need to wear a hard hat. As you can see, getting a few pictures on the wall. Got a lot more to do. Oh, got my angel. Remember my angel? It used to be, oh, look how pretty out there. Oh yes, that snow is going to be gone in no time. What did I just, oh, okay. Ooh. Oh, how pretty. Oh, how pretty. I don't have my coat on, so this will be a 1 second peek. Oh, how pretty. Look at that. And the sun is rising through the trees. Oh, God is great. Okay. Okay, you can, oops, I keep tripping on that. You can see this big heavy panel got mounted, and so did this one. I'm getting a few plant stands and a few pots, and I'm going to be potting all of this up in a separate video. Oh, let's go back in here.
If you enjoyed this video, please watch these. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you in the next video.